This is the Ryan Heavy-Duty Sod Cutter. It's a ride-on or walk-behind sod cutter that can cut and roll up to 3 acres of sod a day. But if you're a sports field manager or run a smaller sod farm, you can think of it as a time-saving machine. Its easy operation and versatility make the heavy-duty sod cutter a valuable team player. The controls are conveniently located for easy operation. From the operator station, you can quickly and accurately adjust the blade depth down to 2.5 inches. A cutting depth guide helps you make precise adjustments. You can change the blade angle to match soil and blade conditions. And with the handle-mounted throttle, you can adjust the engine speed with ease. A durable cast iron housing protects the gear case for long life. The 8-inch heavy-duty cast iron drive wheels have knobby tread for sure traction. These durable vulcanized rubber drive wheels help absorb vibration as well for even more operator comfort. Choose either the 16 or 18-inch cutting width heavy-duty sod cutter models. Both come with a dependable Honda engine and a 2-speed transmission for plenty of power. Use the heavy-duty sod cutter as a walk-behind unit on small and medium-sized jobs, or add the optional sulky roller for better productivity on large jobs. With the automatic Sod Cut Off, you can cut sod precisely from 1 foot long to 6 feet long. A forward metering wheel helps you measure and cut accurately. Add the rolling ram conversion kit with the sulky and you can cut and roll sod at the same time. There's also an optional hold-down kit that keeps the sod from buckling and is necessary in very sandy soil conditions or when the ground is dry. Other options include a roll diverter, an attachment which moves previously cut rolls out of the way. The Ryan Heavy-Duty Sod Cutter. Easy to use, productive, with the accessories you need to get jobs done quickly and efficiently. To learn more, see the experts at your nearest Ryan dealer. You'll find the location of one near you at ryanturf.com. Ryan, the first name in turf renovation.